Okay, I thought I would review what we used to call the laws of logarithms, but now they're called the properties of logarithms. Either way, the properties are these three. Now, you've probably forgotten them because we did them before Easter, but whenever you have a product, you write it as the sum of the individual log of each factor. A fraction, it's a difference. And if you have a power, you bring it out front and multiply to the log. So you can use that when you're solving. So for example, if you have log, same base on both sides, you want to get it to 1 log equals 1 log. So the 3 means cube it, so 2 cubed is 8 plus log base 5 of 7. So when you're adding individual logs, you multiply, so it'd be log 5 of x equals log 5 of 56, so therefore x equals 56. Because you have logs, same base on both sides, so the innards have to be the same. Here, if I only have logs on one side, I want to get it down to 1 log, then rewrite it as an exponential. So I'd have log base 7, multiply the insides, or FOIL. I hope you remember how to FOIL. Then, remember exponential, base raised to a power equals the insides. So x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 7 to the first power. So I would subtract 7. Now remember, when the power is 2, you have lots of choices. You could do completing the square, quadratic formula, or factor. And I do believe this is factorable. X minus 6, x plus 2. So x equals 6, x equals negative 2. Now remember, you can't take the log of a negative. If I put in negative 2, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So I cannot use negative 2. I can use 6 though. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So my answer is 6. Now let's see if you remember this. I have log base 2 of 3 is 1.59. Log base 2 of 5 is 2.3. So remember, there's 3 numbers I can work with. 3, 5, and the 2, because that's our base. So therefore, using the laws of logarithms, find these 5 logs. And once you do that, turn me back on. Okay, how can I write 15 in terms of 3, 5, or 2? Well, that would be log base 2 of 3 times 5. The first law of logarithms says that you add the individual factors in each log. So it'd be 1.59 plus 2.3, so it'd be 3.89. 25. How can I get that in terms of 3, 5, or 2? Well, wait, that is 5 squared. So I'd be twice log base 2 of 5. And log base 2 of 5 is 2.3. Twice that is 4.6. Okay, log base 2 of 10. Now, if this was log base 10 of 10, the answer is 1, because 10 to what power is 10? But how can I get it in terms of 5, 3, or 2? Well, 5 times 2. So it'd be log of 2 times, said that wrong, log base 2 of 5 plus log base 2 of 2. So log base 2 of 5 is 2.3. Whenever the base is the same as what you're taking the log of, the answer is 1. Or 2 to what power is 2? So it'd be 3.3. So square root of 5. That'd be 5 to the 1/2 power. So bring the half out front. Let's see. Log base 2 of 5 is 2.3. So it'd be 1.15. Woohoo! And 12, how can I get that in terms of 5, 3, or 2? I can work with my base of 2. Well, that'd be log base 2 of 4 times 3. So it's log base 2 of 4 plus log base 2 of 3. You're given the second one, that's 1.59. Now, 2 to what power is 4? And that is 2. So it'd be 3.59. So, quick little review. I'm afraid you might have forgot this. It seems like it's been so long ago. I plan to have a test Thursday. Or a quiz, whatever you call it.